On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Don't judge me, it's all one color. I didn't remove all the stickers on the top, but I did tape some of them off. It's all one solid color, it's all I care. It took me 10 minutes. Oh, come on, isn't that an improvement? Yeah, I didn't scrape off all the stickers on the side. I just did a quick job. I got an idea of what I'm going to put over the side now. And yes, I did paint all that. That's way better. Even though it looks kind of crappy, it's all one color. Once I put my sticker on the side there, you'll like it. What's up, Minitruck? You miss me? I got work for you. See if you start, Minnie. Look at that. Always reliable. What the heck is that? A mud wasp? That's how long it's been. The battery died and the mice took it over. They got a nice spot. Wonder where they stole that from. Yeah, see? Mud wasps. Can't have nothing. The mice and the bees. Minitruck's gonna do some work. Let's see if this old girl starts. Oh look, more mice. Little throttle. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to jump start. Come on, girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I want you to kill every golfer on the course.
Check me if I'm wrong, Sandy, but if I kill all the golfers, they're gonna lock me up and throw away the key.
Golfers! You're great, get not golfers!
Load Minnie's got. That's a big load there.
That's what she said.
She's squatting. She's squatting, boys. She is squatting. Yeah, my video glasses are broke. Sorry, I don't get all the in-between. Yeah. She is squatting, that's for sure. That ain't nothing for Minnie.
Doing some driveway repair.
Yep. Got the rake. Hit it. Never, ever, ever use diff lock when you got that much weight in the back. You'll break that pin or whatever locks them together like nothing. I could dump a little bit.
Yeah, then I'll just push it into the holes.
Yeah. It's got some weight on her. See how my... This thing gets stuck sometimes. Because it's all... Yeah, I know. Because all the weight's on this side. See how heavy it is?
Yeah.
You can use the back of the rake too, if it's easier sometimes. Yeah. I don't want to do too much, and you can pull some off of there if you got it.
This all stays in the grooves, they won't just come out.
Have to make a little swale up there again so that it doesn't run down. Like right there, it the little tiny swale that was there filled in, so we got to make another swale at the end of
the
that.
bump that used to be here?
Well, it used to be a bump, but it only runs to the corner. But you can see right where it's running, see it? So we have to put a groove all the way back that way again. Looking good. Look at that big old leopard snail. That's a big one. Got a yard of dirt in that right now. 1 yard, 4 scoops. She can handle it. Left one in and out. Good job. That was a lot of work. What's up, Minitruck? What's up, skinny kitty? She used to be fat kitty, now she's skinny kitty. You're a heck of a workhorse, that's for sure. You dumped about 4 yards of stone on a driveway to fix those ruts. We diverted the water a little bit. I did order a new headgear type camera setup. It's not the glasses this time. It's one that has a band and a camera goes on the side of your head. So I'm going to try that out. I've repaired my camera glasses several times. This is the 3rd pair that I've bought, and although they do a decent job, they're not great. I did look into other brands that are a lot more money. I looked into the Ray-Bans. I'm not convinced they're worth the money either. I even reached out to them if they wanted a video. They said they are not doing anything for influencers at this point, and I'm not going to spend the money on them because there's no specs for the camera. From what I see online, it's a 4:3 video, which is worthless for me. I don't know what the field of view is on the camera. I don't know what the battery life is on the camera. There's nothing out there. You'd think they'd want an influencer, but I suppose maybe they don't because it's inferior in that way. I also looked into some other companies, and I think it's the Instagram puts one out, and that has a circular video. What the heck are these people thinking? We'll see how this new one works. It actually has a little tiny gimbal. I saw a few videos that other people put up. It does record in 4K. I'll probably record in 1080 to get more battery life. I don't know, I'm hoping it works out because there's really nothing out there that has a good field of view. Everything is very zoomed in, and I know a lot of people don't like that wide field of view like the action cameras, but it is better as far as motion wise, so it doesn't look like it's jerking all over the place, and it does fit more into the frame if you're not exactly pointed at what you want. And it's also better for light. Where are we going to take a ride to today, Minnie? Let's go to Harbor Freight. And we're trying to figure out a way to cover that pontoon boat. Looked online, watched a bunch of videos, saw PVC stuff. PVC is expensive if you want to go like 3-inch with any structure. Or do something out of wood, which that's expensive too. Let's take a ride to Harbor Freight. They got a 10 by 20 canopy that's not winter snow or ice rated, and we'll assemble that and put some supports underneath and maybe crisscross some rope, see if we can make something good out of that. Let's drop this stuff in the back. We got a huge recycle pile, Minnie. Gonna have to take a trip to the junkyard and get rid of that soon. Gotta turn the battery on. It's a little better. Power. Getting cold up here. Might have to use the heat today, Minnie. Look at that metal pile, Minnie. You got some work to do. And my 2 Sammys just sitting there. Someday we'll do something with those. Alright, Minnie, let's get rolling. Good job, Minnie. Look at all that stone. Would you believe that's 4 loads of stone? which was about 4 yards. Got it, Minnie. Let's go home. Woo! Those speed bumps are big for you, Minnie. Minnie's on the highway. Let's see what you can do. Go, Minnie, go! That's it. That's all she got. You talked me into grocery shopping, Minnie. Now where are we gonna put it all? No problemo. Let's put this cart away. Minnie's getting the groceries. Good job, Minitruck. Good job.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.